Tonight, somewhere in the dark, space is folding in on itself. A star has burned through all its fuel. Its light has faded. And now, under its own weight, it begins to fall inward. The core shrinks. Gravity tightens. And in a fraction of a second, everything that was once a sun is crushed into a point smaller than you can imagine. The result is not a star, not a planet, not anything our everyday language is built for. It's a region of space-time where down stops meaning anything, where light, which has escaped every other trap in the universe, fails for the first time. A black hole.